Well, hi there and welcome to Bella's Vistas. This was the sunrise this morning. Now we're taking advantage of the rain to edit our video. We're looking back at the Pelicans. Wow. Now the Pelicans were in Manitoba. It was 6 years since I've seen them there. And I really enjoyed being there and taking these pictures and shooting the video. Just watching them come in for landings. So entertaining. Wow. Look at them. And there's so many of them here. The only other place I'd seen pelicans, other than in Winnipeg, was in Miami, Florida. And I don't think I saw nearly as many either there, but these are just great. And it's nice and a bit cooler, and so they're really active. Watching them come in for landings was just great. And I got time after time so that I could practice my shots, so I think that's why I got some good shots of them. Look how many there are here. They're just bobbing around in the water, and the mist of the waterfalls is behind them. I really like birds against waterfalls. That's really nice. Like the osprey that I got in Kitchener. Wow, I'm really loving these. I mean, these are a novel bird for me. Like, we've got eagles in Ontario and things like that, but pelicans, I've hardly ever seen them. And they're really interesting. You can see the waterfalls in behind there. That's what makes it interesting, I think. Helps make it interesting for me anyway. I couldn't get enough of them. Really nice. Here's another one coming in for a landing. Just watch this. Wow. Here's a nice park up we had with all these old cars. It's so nice. In the morning, a beautiful sunrise like this. See rain off in the distance, and then we got these beautiful sunny rays coming up. Every morning was a beautiful sunrise there. Blasting down the highway now. This is going to be one of our biggest adventures ever. We hope to get as far as Tuktoyaktuk, and that's going to be quite a drive. Here we are looking at the old buildings, some churches here. These are Ukrainian Orthodox churches. Along the side of the road, there's a memorial there. The one bear that I saw, we've been looking for bears, but I finally got that one. Now we're driving along here. And now I can't believe what happened here, because we're driving along and we found a nice place to park up. There were some birds flying around and more pelicans. I couldn't believe it. I could not believe that we ran into pelicans again. These are amazing. I got some nice close-up shots. Then we got a sunset coming in, and it was the most beautiful sunset. Wow. Unbelievable sunset, and wonderful to have the birds in the foreground. I couldn't decide whether I wanted to have the boats in the pictures or not, but I thought it all added to everything. And I kept taking pictures, and that was my best shot ever. Wow, now we're in the morning, we're taking off again. We had a nice quiet evening there. We went to the park, and all I saw in the park was this family of mergansers. Now the mother merganser, she's got quite a brood here. And she's really, I think she's teaching them to dive. I think that's the plan here. She's teaching them to dive under the water so they know how to hide away. And it was something to see. I didn't know exactly where they were going to come up, but it was so magical to watch this. Look at them all there. What a beautiful family of mergansers. And after watching the way the eagles take care of their young, seeing this was just incredible as well. Now, as I said, I didn't get any more bears. This was like at least a 3-hour diversion going up to this park. Now we're driving along and we're going to see the grain elevators again. I remember them. It's not as surprising to me as it was then. Now I'm seeing lots of bugs on the window here again. It's like I took the antenna down, so we don't have the antenna in the corner, but now we've got bugs splattered on the windshield. But I'll clean those off when I get a chance. Driving along here, rough roads here on the bridge. We're going to see a lot rougher roads in the future, and these amazing old barns, wowee. Now I'm watching the canola on each side of the road here. I'm getting pretty impressed with this. I'm trying to find a place where I can shoot some drone footage of the canola out the window. Well, we're shooting it out the window here. The grain elevators, look at this one here, wow. That's what I like to see, the older grain elevators. The brand new ones, well, that's not so magical. And the skies here, we get beautiful sunsets and beautiful weather conditions. Moon's coming out. Now we're headed down the road again. Just cruising along, motorcycles passing us. I love this old bridge on the left-hand side here. I sort of was thinking about maybe stopping there and taking a bunch of pictures, but it just wasn't perfect, so we kept on going. More bugs on the window, that's for sure. Look at that. Another grain elevator, but still brand new. It's almost painted silver, that one. Those are aluminum paint. Now I'm seeing more canola on the side of the road. And I find it just magical. Like, you'd be driving along and you'll see canola everywhere. We pulled in here and stopped up. Lots of old railway ties there. Here I'm taking a shot of the canola. And there you can see the canola. I'm just not finding the exact place that I want to work yet, but I'm looking hard, trying to find something. And yeah, the windshield is getting worse. Wow, I love that. I got a few good shots here, that's for sure. Now I found a spot to fly the drone. We pulled off the road here in a safe spot, and I got the drone up and I was flying it along, and somebody came along and wondered if we needed help because he thought we were broken down, but I said, no, I'm just photographing them. And he said, oh, you want to get the yellow? And I said, absolutely, yeah, it's a beautiful yellow canola. Look at it there, wow. Then I did some shots with my camera here. It's Olympus shots. Beautiful shots off in the distance. Wonderful sky too. It looks different from the air, that's for sure. So there I am flying the drone. I'm always really nervous when I'm flying it. I've only had a few flights so far, but I guess I'm getting a bit better at it. But you see the canola there. There's the drone. Mary's getting some shots of the drone flying above us there. Every once in a while I lose sight of it and I don't know where it is. There's our van. It's coming in for a landing now. Yeah, it's something to have to learn. I'm not that great at it by any means yet. There's our van. And there's an aerial shot of the canola there, another aerial there. I'm just sort of up in the air looking around at the canola now. Look at that, eh? It goes as far as you can see. The prairies, it's nice and flat, so the land just goes off in the distance. It's not exactly what I wanted to get, but it's, it's what I got. I wanted to fly the drone low over the canola and just show the yellow, but had to settle for this. This is as fast as it would go too. I put it at full speed ahead down here, and that's what I got to see. These are views that you wouldn't get. There's no other way you would get these except from a drone. I did a lot of aerial photography in the past, but this is a whole other way of doing things. I mean, look at there. Now this is pretty much what I wanted to see. Yeah, the canola blowing in the wind. Now I'm bringing the drone in, flying it closer to the van, and I've been taking the floor mat out of the van and using that as a takeoff point and landing for the drone. So now I'm just bringing it in. Once you get it right over the landing pad, it just lands by itself, which is, I think it's just amazing. What beautiful shots I got too. This is my main thing, is just shooting with my camera, and I got these wonderful HDR shots of the canola, and then I shot some video with my camera like this, just showing the canola blowing in the breeze, and a few zoom shots and whatnot. Been very happy. I hope you're going to stick with us on this trip, and I hope we get up to Tuk. I really do. It's going to be quite interesting if we get all the way up there. It's going to be a harrowing drive, that's for sure. Now I got some nice shots at the end of this video. I hope you'll watch them, and I hope you'll like, subscribe, and come on along on our trip with us. I think we're going to have a really good time. I really do. It's a bit nerve-wracking sometimes. Wow. I mean, we're driving a 1995 E150 van, and you never know what could happen, but so far it's been just excellent. It's well maintained, beautiful scenery along the way, big sky country, that's for sure. Look at this, wowee. Thanks for visiting Bella's Vistas. Please like, subscribe, come on back again real soon. I think this is one of our best pictures ever, this picture of the Pelicans in the sunset.